guys, welcome back to my show. You know guys, I have not made a cooking video for like at least weeks. But today, I'm gonna do one. So today, we'll be making pistachio sweet soup. Gross, I know, but it's actually good. Ma!出！
係啊，好耐冇出場啦，好耐都冇整嘅嘢煮嘢啦。
ingredient 嗰啲咩咧
Pistachios, obviously. And rock sugar. So we cook it at 150 degrees in the oven. 15 minutes. Okay guys, be very careful with the blender. There are blades inside. But anyways, let's just pour this slowly because you do not want anything to get out of your bowl. In order to make this move, it's a bit loud, okay? It needs to be very dusty like the ones on the edge. Very fine. Open this and we add a bit of water for it to dissolve. Oh, it smells so good. We add only a bit of water because don't want the whole thing to dissolve, do you? Now look at the paste. It looks like vomit, but it smells good. Okay. Yeah, we add 20 millimeters more. Millimeters? Milliliters!
Chinese 嘅糖水啊
Yes, very much.
好中意食嘅係湯圓。
My first YouTube video. My aunt said that pistachios taste bland. Prove her wrong. Next step is really important. This is our paste. Paste. Do not waste the rest. The most important part in pistachio sweet soup is that we need to mix the rice flour, rice powder, and water together. It'll thicken the whole thing up. It's so thick. It is so flippin' thick. Tasting time! Not bad. I rated it at 9.8 out of 10.
次整咧可以加多少少水。
It was really good and it was a success. So if you guys like it, then go make it at home! And remember to like the video, subscribe, and share. Bye bye!
頭先嗰啲咧就比較結啲，好似依家呢啲咁啊 OK 啦，啱啦。
係啦，即係好似呢咁係咪？大家記住要整嘅時候咧，調校個水就要隨意，但係加翻頭先太結，而家稀翻啦。
再煮翻佢。
Good。